Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to join old Grow a Garden servers on mobile, step by step, so you can easily play with your friends or revisit your favorite worlds. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account and that your app is updated to the latest version. An outdated version might cause loading issues or hide certain features you'll need. Step 2. Once you're in the app, open the main menu and look for the small search icon at the top. Tap on it, then type the name Grow a Garden into the search bar. This will bring up the available results for the game. Step 3. When you find the correct game in the search results, tap on it to open its page, but don't hit the play button just yet. We're going to adjust some settings first so you can see the old servers. Step 4. On the game's page, scroll down until you see the Servers section. Tap on it to open the list of current servers. Then, locate the refresh button, usually a small circular arrow icon, and tap it to make sure you're seeing the most up-to-date list. Step 5. After the server list updates, scroll to find the Exclude Full Servers option and enable it. This will remove any servers that are already at maximum capacity. Next, find the sorting option. It might say Descending by default, and change it to Ascending. Once you do this, the oldest Grow a Garden servers will automatically appear at the top. Simply find the one you want, tap Join, and you're in. You've now successfully joined an old Grow a Garden server on mobile. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.